Came with 3 hours on it, and I've got what, 112.6 or something like that on there. Take a look. Yeah, got the filled tires. Came with the sodium filled tires. Sure makes a huge difference for ballast. And got the spacers in here because my property's pretty uneven. Those are the 5.5 inch spacers that John Deere makes for the 4 Series. But see how far the tire comes out. Really makes the machine a whole lot more stable. I feel really quite safe driving around on uneven ground. Got the heavy duty bucket. It's got the hoops on the top, double walled. Nice bucket. I did put the cutting edge, so when you buy the heavy duty bucket, it doesn't come with the cutting edge. So all this extra edge that you see down here really makes a big difference having that on there. Keeps everything nice and straight. And yeah, heavy duty bucket on the backhoe. Got the 18 inch heavy duty bucket with the thumb. If you're gonna get the backhoe, put a thumb on it. It makes all the difference. This is, it doesn't need to be hydraulic at all to really step up the game for performance. Super happy with the thumb. I did bend it already and got a guy to straighten it out. There was no welds on the inside here, and so basically this side just flared out on me as I grabbed a big branch. So I figure it wouldn't have happened if it was welded on the inside, so I got him to do that for me, and it's holding up good. So, nothing's perfect. Okay, so here we are, coming up to almost a year now of using George around on the farm. Been a real game changer getting something that's more capable than the small tractor we had before, 21 horsepower Kubota. Great little tractor, but was just a little bit, way too small for what we're trying to do here. Already, this size tractor is really, it'll do everything we want it to, but just a lot slower. So, but anyhow, it's really worked out well. I didn't have the best first day with it, but 300 hours, well, almost 300 hours later, I'm really happy with the performance of this little tractor, doing everything that I needed to do. Mainly land clearing tasks are what I'm using it for. So most of the time has been put on this backhoe. I'd say about 200 hours plus have been using the backhoe. So yeah, it's doing its job. Had a couple issues with the lines and stuff, pinching and then the thumb bending on me, but after reinforcing it up in here, it hasn't given out since, so that was a good quick fix. And then down below here I had this line pinching, and so I made up, just put some pipe insulation on top of it, on the metal here, so it doesn't pinch onto that hydraulic line. So I should probably put another layer on there. It's getting pretty packed, but I already had to replace that hydraulic line, and the hydraulic line up on the back here too. Up near the top there, it seems to rub, and so been really watching that. But other than that, it's been really reliable, and you would hope so for a brand new machine. 300 hours on it now. And just added this WR long third function valve for the front grapple.